Hello students, welcome back to our online class. So students, take out your English reader book. Today we'll start a new poem, that is Don't Give Up, okay, which is in page number 35. So students, take out page number 35, okay. Don't give up. So this poem is written by Phoebe Carey. So before going to the poem, students, let us know something about the poet. Now, Phoebe Carey was born in United States of America. She began her writing under the guidance of her sister Alice Carey. Phoebe Carey, she had written many poems and parodies. Okay, some of the poems are poems of faith, hope and love. Okay, and she was also fighting for the women rights. Now let us go to the poem. Don't give up. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All's that's great and good is done just by patient trying. So what what the poet is trying to say. So in this poem, Phoebe Carey encourages us to not give up and always emerge stronger from our failures. Okay, whenever we face any failures, we don't have to give up hope, and this is the only thing she tries to depict in this poem. Now in this first stanza, the poet says that if you have tried and not succeeded, then you should not waste time in crying, but rather, okay, you should not waste time in crying and regretting, oh yes, I have not done anything in my life, but instead one should remember that all great and good deeds are achieved. How? By never giving up. You should not give up. Okay, you should keep trying and trying and trying. Okay, now, though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that blowed her, she had risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Now what is the meaning of sturdy? Sturdy means strong. Okay, then blast that bowed her means such a strong wind that it bent her. Okay, so and loftier means taller. So in this two paragraph, what the poet is trying to say. Now the poet has given us two examples from the nature. She says that while learning to fly, the young birds often fall and they don't give up. They keep trying and trying. Their wings grow stronger day by day, and with every attempt, okay, they manage to be in the air at least for a little longer, isn't it? So when they fly, they fall again, they rise, they fall again, that by they keep trying, one day they learn how to fly. The next example which the poet has given is that of the oak tree. Okay, now the oak tree is a very firm tree, tight tree. Okay, the strong wind bends the oak tree, but when the storm emerges, but then also this oak tree remains sturdy than before. Clear? If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. So now the poet concludes by saying that, okay, that if you win easily, then no one will value our victory. Okay, no one will value our victory. And if we lose and never stop trying, and people will appreciate us, people will praise us. See, even after trying and trying, she achieved at least one day. Okay, and that victory is the most valuable one. Okay, so this is a very simple poem, students. So this is all about the poem. Okay, so in the next class I shall teach you another chapter. Thank you.